Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your mouse sensitivity in Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select Bluetooth and devices. On right side you just need to select mouse. In here you can change your mouse sensitivity, but I will recommend clicking on additional mouse settings guys. Click on it. Select the pointer options and change your mouse setting guys. From here you can get additional options. You can also change different mouse settings in these tabs guys. Once you made your changes, you just need to select apply and OK for save changes. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.